All we do is we put it on, and right away it falls in because it's thick, and people have been saying that, and the lip isn't big enough to accommodate the thickness of the pad, and your phone always falls in. And I'm an idiot because I knew that. I've read it and seen it so many times, and the very first time I do it, it falls in. Okay, folks, welcome back to the channel. It is time to do the unboxing. You've seen this before. It's not, this is not an exclusive or anything like that. So, it is the Jeda Wireless Pad. I'm going to open it up right now here on, I'm not going to do a huge unboxing. Like I said, you've seen what it looks like. So, I'm just going to open it up and let's put it in. What I want to see in this video, how I'm going to make this maybe a little different than the other videos, take that off, is the charge rate. I want to compare the charge rate to the standard USB that it comes with, which is right here. And if you haven't seen my last video on how to, if you don't have this and you only have this and you want to charge this with your phone case, and you know the whole ordeal of how it's too short and you got to really jam it in to get it to connect and actually charge, look at my previous video. I'll put a link right up here. Maybe it's over here. I forget. I think it's over here. I'll put a link up here and you'll see what it's like. But in the meantime, let's unbox this puppy and get it out. So that's what I want to see. I want to see the difference between how fast this charges compared to how fast that charges in a somewhat controlled environment. I'm going to fast forward all this. But here is the pad itself. That is pretty thin, folks. That is pretty thin. Like, I mean, it's got a little bit of bulkiness, but it has to, right? I mean, let's take the Tesla original pad out, and you can see the difference. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera there. That is the original one up against the other one. I'll put it up to the angle where you can maybe see. I know you don't have a white background, but that's the difference. It's probably 2.5, maybe 3 times thicker, maybe 2 times, anywhere from 2 to 3 times thicker. It's got a little bit of dirt. All this is a rubber pad from Tesla. So put this aside. This is the new bad boy. These are the little stickers that it comes with to keep it in place, folks. They look like little rubber feet pads, but what they are, what you have to remember to do, people were forgetting to do it, like my friend Ryan McCaffrey, him and Mike forgot to take these, they just unpeel, and underneath there, when you unpeel it, unpeel is not a word, when you peel this off, underneath there, it's sticky, so, and that is what is used to adhere it to there. But before we do that, like the instruction says, I think I have to take this wiring out. But just to look at the box one last time before, here are the connectors that it actually comes with. It's great. For the price, it's pretty cool that you get connectors with it. Okay. Put this aside, put that aside. Like I said, we have to take this out. So to do that, we all know how to do this, folks. Move this over to the left. Here's my little contraption I made. We'll take this out for now. Put it down here to keep for safekeeping. And we just... notice I only had it on one side. I didn't have it on both sides. When my wife was in the car, the passenger seat, this is what she used. Okay, so what we have to do first is connect these to here. And this is just micro USB or mini USB. I forget which one it is. But they just connect in like that. I'll do both sides just in the mere event that I have someone in the car, a passenger that also has wireless connectors on their smart device or smartphone. Now that this is done, I have to feed this through the existing Tesla plate there, the mounting plate. This couldn't be any more simpler, folks. I mean, anyone can do this. A trained or untrained monkey could do this. Okay, once that's on, you can put the plate back on. I haven't taken the stickies off yet. I will. I just want to test it out first to make sure it actually works. Okay, so that's in. Let's test it out now. Okay, folks, that's it. That's how simple it is. As you can see, it charges up every single time. What I want to do, because that is a simple, quick demonstration of the installation. We've seen it before. And when I say quick, it is actually really, really quick. getting stuff here as we go. What I want to see in the main purpose of this video is to see how quick it is compared to the standard, everyday cable itself, the connected cable. I know the cable's obviously going to be faster. Qi connectors right now aren't as fast, but I want to see how much difference it is. Say, and I won't be able to do it now, but say I have 50% on left of battery on this phone, and I connect it, and I want to see how long, and I want to time it to see how long takes to get to 60%. And then take that time, and then at a later time, plug this in when it's also at 50%, keep it the same part of the battery, and time that and see how long it takes to get to 60%. So flip into the video right now. So now that it's tested and it works, I will take this back off and put the little rubber feet on so it doesn't move around. To do that, you just unpeel these little things. They're very clear. They're very hard, so they're easy enough to know when they're off. There's 6 of them, I believe. 1, 2, yeah, 6. Make sure you get them all off. I'm sure it will work with 4 of them or 5 of them, but hey, you know what? They've given us 6. We might as well take them all off. So the trick when you're putting this down, I just figured out, if you try to put it in like this, you're going to have problems with the connector. It's best to just lay the tray flat, put the bottom in first, and then let the top just slide in. And then you can lift it up, and then just press it down on all the sides, the top and bottom corners and everything, even at the top side, and then let the little rubber adhesive stick to it. Okay, folks, we're back, and we have a Galaxy S8, I believe this is. It's got wireless charging, so we're going to throw it on there for 10 minutes and see, with the wireless charging, the Qi charging, how much we're going to get in 10 minutes, okay? Right now it's at 43%. I don't know if you can see that on the screen. It's at 43%, and we're going to see how long it takes, starting right now. Okay, it's been exactly 10 minutes. Exactly. I'll put it down here. And as you can see, let me turn it off and turn it back on. So as you can see, 47%. We started off at 43, so we got about 4% charge in 10 minutes. So let's do the exact same thing, but now with the cord. Okay, folks, we're back, and to make everything official, we are back at 43% again on the same phone. The only difference is this time is we're going to have a cord, and we're going to charge it by the cord and see which one's faster, again, for 10 minutes. Okay, so let's reset the timer. Plug this puppy in. Okay, it's on charge for 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes exactly, and we are at 49%. So 49%, folks. As you can see, we're a little more than the other one. So you know what? The other one went from 43 to 47, 4% change in 10 minutes. This one went from 43 to 49, 6%. So you know what? That's like, I guess you could say 50% difference. Not bad for a Qi wireless charging. Of course, we knew before we even started this, we knew that the corded charge option is always going to be faster. We just want to see by how much. So roughly, unscientifically, because once again, this is an unscientific test, it's roughly about 50% more. That's all I got today, folks. Thanks for watching. If you got any comments or questions, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer them. Or if you can educate me on Qi wireless charging as opposed to corded charging and the differences that you've seen or you've gotten, let me know. Because like I said, I'm no expert on this. I just want to see what the difference is with the wireless charging convenience over plugging it in and having a little faster charge. Thanks for watching. Take care. Yes, I know. I have a wicked tan line from my watch. When I don't wear my watch, I have a wicked tan line. I apologize. Turn down your screens, folks.